Oh. Oops. 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 Okay, there. Boom. I reared. Hello. Yay. I don't know what to do. I didn't plan this out. No. Okay, well, Naomi is leaving us forever. So I guess it's just me and I guess this video is just me and Brooke and Nicole talking in the background. So I didn't plan this out one single bit. I should have planned this out. I should have planned this out. Yeah. Oh no, I'm back. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, Emily. Oh yeah, I forgot. Mine literally spells out the word. Oh, but it doesn't work. I'm so sad. I'm so disappointed. Emily, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. Watch. I'm pressing control. Since mine spells out the whole entire thing. It doesn't work.
Is there another one?
No, that's the only control. Oh god. We are on a call. Well, we're on a call too. Emily? Oh, yeah. Okay. Emily, aren't you supposed to show off your new horse?
Oh my god, look at my horse. It's so much better than yours. Oh my god.
Is that how you show off stuff, Emily? Like, oh my god, my horse is so much better than yours! Oh, that was loud.
I have a baby face. Try that? I mean nothing.
It's like, shut up. I mean nothing.
I'm not one annoying friend. I just remember that one annoying friend in general.
Oh yeah, wait. Are you one of those annoying little friends that eat the plastic cups?
They are whack.
And then they go. Juliana, are you one of those friends that eat the plastic cups?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I can tell that Emily is enjoying her ice. She is literally going. Tilting it back.
Oh god.
Juliana has a question for you.
What's your question?
She wants to know, how do you write the rules down for your club?
I don't know.
Juliana, first you have to name it, then you have to buy it, and then you write down the stuff.
Dressage freaking every day.
Excuse you? Gosh, you just burp and you don't say excuse me. Yeah, all of my friends are like, and then I'm like, excuse you, and they're like,
Okay.
oh, okay, I just burped, you don't have to excuse me. And I'm like, they just aggravate me so. You are not proper. They're like, oh, you are so proper. My parents raised me to go, they didn't raise me to go, they didn't raise me to burp and say, excuse you. They raised me to burp and not say anything. Emily, there is actually a race that you can fly.
What?
Yeah. You want me to show you it? It's so cool.
Yeah.
Okay. You can go ahead and just go on to Fort Pinta, and I'll just ride there since I spend almost all of my Jorvik shillings.
Oh, I literally swore, so I'll just ride there too.
I have. I have 40.
I have 100.
You said you literally just have 4.
No, I have 11 Rubik's.
Oh my gosh.
Rubik's shillings and 11 stock.
You have 100 Rubik shillings and 11 stock points, Emily? Like, oh my god. Juliana, how much Rubik shillings do you have?
Oh, they have so much better than us, and it's so much better us in general.
I have 40. I've been spending them, okay? Like, I need some food. Go away, Alfredo.
No!
Alfredo just hit you. Alfredo is a champion. He really knows how to do stuff.
I'm gonna make up a new name for all of my friends. That'll be one of them.
Oh, his name, the car's name is Alfredo. Oh no, whoa, Lord. Oh, freaking, I don't care, Spirit. Go home. Oh, oh yeah, I ran into a gate. Go home, Spirit. Like, go home, Spirit. Nobody likes it. I'm trying not to talk so loud because speakers. Emily, don't you wish you have a Mustang so you can freaking buck?
Okay, I'm gonna run now because
Make sure Alfredo doesn't run over you.
Why is there a camera right there? Oh my god, photo mode.
Oh yeah, Emily, it's where you stand still. Like, say you're about to jump and you stand still.
Oh my god, wait, that's so cool.
Oh, beautiful position. Oh my god, my horse's hoof Emily, my horse's hoof looks like it's broken.
Wait, am I jumping for you still? Oh my god, wait.
No, Emily, you're literally just doing the running place thing.
Really?
What do you do? Emily, my horse's hoof looked like it was broken.
Wow, this is, hold on, let me post this to Instagram.
Oh, this is perfect. Oh my god, this is perfect. I want to do Musically now. That's perfect. But Emily, when you watch this video, you'll have to see how perfect that was. For me, you're literally just standing still. I'm pretty sure I look like quarter half. Oh my god, I'm going the wrong way. Emily, don't follow me. Go back if you're following me. What am I doing with my life? I don't know.
This person is standing on their horse. You can stand on your horse?
Emily, it's gone. Emily, you freaking...
Really, this person's standing on their horse. This person is standing on their horse.
Emily, you missed it.
I don't get it. This person's standing on their horse.
What do you mean? What do you mean someone's standing on their horse? Wait, Emily, I have to see. I wish my horse was so... I wish my... Oh my god, I want to die too. I want to die laughing.
Here you go. Will you put this in your bag?
Oh, yeah, hold on.
Someone tell me how to do this.
Secretly, I don't know.
Hold on.
Juliana, all I can hear is...
I'm tapping every button I can.
Oh my god, I want to die. I want to die. I want to die of laughter. Where'd they go?
I don't know. They like clicked on the girl to try and buy some on that girl that like sells you spirit stuff to try and buy something, and I just like, and then she sat
No. All I know is
Wait, I'm
that
gonna have to try and figure this out.
I think you need to like press X and then like press the I don't know.
Oh my god, you're so smart.
Oh yeah, I'm so smart. I literally don't care. None of my horses are fast. Emily, I bet you can do the race and win.
People with that call that so much.
No!
SSO, update.
Oh my god. So many people are wearing pink. Oh, I feel so bad for that horse. Emily.
Eyes went dark.
Emily. Emily, shut up. Emily, I feel so bad for this horse. They're literally decked out in pink. They have the biggest freaking bow on the other side of their head.
Oh my god, wait. This person is.
Oh, I feel so bad for that person. I'm just gonna back away slowly. People these days just trying. Well, I literally don't like pink. Pink is a horrible color. But my mom makes me wear pink, so I'm depressed now. Oh no. Emily, you have to watch this.
Apparently there's a new starter horse feature, and if you do it, then you can, like...
Emily, you have to watch this video, and you have to see how horrible this horse looks. It has a big freaking giant bow on its bridle.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, for me, they're just levitating because they were jumping. And then they have the biggest freaking bow in their ponytail. I'm pretty sure they're gonna watch this video and be like, Emily, I'm pretty sure they're gonna watch this video and be like, she talking about my horse like that. I hate her. He's a horrible person. Anywho, hold on.
Wait, really?
So,
you started that club?
So, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Comment down if you did, and comment down if you need to see more. Bye.